to get reports to your email about the submissions of the surveys, including information about your survey responses in a specific time period, presented in a chart with the names of survey takers and their submission numbers, and also the statistics about the increase or decrease of the submissions in the percentage as in this example. Then keep watching to understand how to enable and set up this feature. From the dashboard, choose the General Settings section. Scroll down until you can see Send Automatic Email Reporting to Admins option and mark the checkbox. From here, specify the session period to gain an email once in that period. You can get the reports hourly, daily, twice daily, or weekly. Choose the one that is most convenient for you. And then write down your email address. If you want to add multiple emails, separate them with commas. Then save your changes and wait to get the reports for your surveys.